on you.
Yeah, no!
Oh!
Don't jump yet. Did you start it?
Yeah!
Oh. Cold. Oh, it's warm right here. Not warm anymore.
Okay, I have to tell you something I just saw.
What?
I have to tell you something that I just saw. Come here. Hurry. Hurry!
Oh.
Come on, hurry!
Johnny. I'm a slow swimmer. Oh. What the heck is You scared the hell out of me! Oh my god.
Don't give me
Hi! Oh, can we go in the pool, Daddy? Okay. You have to go under.
We just totally fell out.
I know. We were in the pool the other day at Aaron's house. Like me and Audrey. And then, my boo fell out. And oh. Hi! And Aaron, and Audrey's like, my boo's out. I'm like, oh.